inspired me musically. The song Me Am Natty Dread. We recite that for months to catch all the lyrics, the storytelling, the cadence, the style, the humor, the whole poetry in his music. So Stitchie has touched me musically from I was a youth till I get to learn who Stitchie is, and he is a great person and a good man to me. He has changed his life to Christian faith. If you check Fast and Pray video, I'm in the video where the man of Fast and Pray for me. That was like the late 90s or early 2000s. So we all see that Stitchie needs some help. And I'm playing to the music industry insiders more than the general public, because this is a problem with the music industry. We don't come together for each other, and that's very saddening to me. A whole heap of rich as musician, and me alone and a Richie alone, the whole of we rich in our music, and some of we richer financially than some of we can help each other. Make we do the channeling. Today we gather here to make a monetary donation to Cleveland's wife, Mrs. Leng.
Yay!
So we give her a clap.
Yeah.
Share her. So we all have to share her.
You see, brother, there's one thing that you said that I would love to say a little thing about. See, a lot of people say, "Come to Stitchie, Stitchie supposed to reach out and the argument start." No, we're learning today that this ailment been going on for a few years. So sometimes, no matter how much money you have, the reservoir can be empty too. So, you know, hence why
the most expensive
Yes.
Yes. So I'm
and
glad
when you need
glad you
here,
said that.
brother, you cannot ask how much for it or when you have to pay. No.
It's life. So it's
And then I want to extend on your topic now. People are so we're Stitchie money there. How long Stitchie has been a Christian? From 1997. That's 20, how much years? 27 years. All right. How many gospel show keep for the year? How much we go in our gospel show? Who are look for gospel artists to do dub play? Who are take gospel artists going dance them product? Just name them now. When you used to earn 100, going into gospel is like earning 15 or 20% of where you used to earn. I like tithes you get now. But you're doing it for the Lord. He did not choose, hold on, if you don't think about income, he would have stayed as a big artist. God called him and he have to leave everything behind. And we have to take up the slack when leave. Let's man fast and pray for me. So me no business about nobody. He prayed for me. And I've been through some hell and thunder. So we as artists, we know the difference when you become a Christian with earnings. So we could never look on a man who changed his life 27 years ago and say him and make what kind of money.
True.
And it doesn't matter what money he made. If he had any issue and we as his brother can help him. We're not supposed to look at things like that. Is the situation at hand?
No.
I heard people say that about Tiger, you know. And no, Tiger barely can talk good from him meeting at that accident. In speech impaired. And people are things like Tiger could have money till now. This is how Jamaican people act selfish sometimes on one another, you know? And we laugh at each other demise and downfall, you know? You cannot take nothing with you. So the only riches you can have is in your soul. Anything else you have, those are accessories of the earth. My riches is my soul. So as I said, this man fast and pray for me. And I know that this man is a good man. Stitchie has never done nothing in the public eye to discourage or to influence any negative. This man is a role model and he's a legend. And me and my foundation, we partnered with Doctors Harville, Burrell, Bodie, better known as Shaggy. And we put 10,000 US together to put towards his GoFund for his health care.
Good.
This is a check.
Yes.
10,000 US.
Yes.
Clap again.
Mr. Cleveland.
Good
Yes,
step in the right
yes.
direction.
Yes.
Good step in the right direction.
Yes.
Very, very proud.